Okay, this is a quick test recording of facial performance, and also I'm recording my audio using Blender, and also try to capture everything at the same time. So let's try this. So I'm animating and capturing the performance of this character while I'm also recording. I think this should be working. We can see there's a audio being recorded, and also the character is animating, and also the head is moving, etc. I will stop this very soon. Supposedly this audio is working. Oh yeah, unfortunately it doesn't seem to be working with the sound. Maybe the source of the data should be from built-in microphone. So I can try doing this again. Use the built-in microphone. Hopefully we don't have feedbacks. So this is the animations that I have earlier. So the character now is back to original positions. Let's see if I can still go live. Okay, now I'm live. Let's try again. Take 2. Start recording. So I'm recording my voice, and also I should hit record here and recording the facial performance of this character. Let me try using different view. Okay, test 1, 2, 3. Hello, my name is Blender Sushi, and this is my character quick animation performance capture using just Blender. Okay, today the weather is pretty cloudy and it might rain a little bit later, but at home it's pretty cozy. So let's stop this recording. Okay, the recording stops. Okay, we have something cool. I'm gonna stop everything. So I'm recording my voice, and also should hit record here and recording the facial performance of this character. Let me try using different view. Okay, test 1, 2, 3. This character. Let me try using. I have the feeling that the animations and the performance here is not in sync, so I might need to do every sync. The facial. So I'm recording my voice, and also should hit record here and recording the facial performance of this character. Let me try using the 2, 3. I think the animations is captured, but the speed is wrong. So it's just really interesting. So I'm recording my voice, and also for here and recordings of this character. Let me try using different view. Yeah, I have to try this again, but that's basically what's going on. I tried to record the voice and the performance at the same time. Still, yeah, the result is incorrect. Maybe I have to enable real time. Anyhow, I'll try again in the future. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna work better. Ideally, you can. I know some people use Unity or Unreal and make like a live full-time streaming and also presenting the character with a different background. So that's something to think about, I guess. All right, that's pretty much it for this recording. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.